In the ancient world, poison was a weapon as feared as any sword. Kings and generals lived in constant paranoia, for one sip of tainted wine could end a reign. No one was more obsessed with this danger than Mithridates VI, ruler of Pontus in the 1st century BC. His paranoia inspired one of history's most bizarre medical concoctions, a universal antidote made of dozens of ingredients, including small amounts of poison itself, its root surrounded by betrayal. His own father is thought to have been poisoned, and Roman enemies frequently resorted to toxins as silent killers. Determined to outwit his foes, Mithridates turned to science, or rather, to a form of trialander pharmacology. He began ingesting tiny amounts of poison daily. To complement this, he commissioned Greek physicians to develop a universal antidote capable of protecting him from any toxin. The result was Mithridatium, a thick honey-based mixture that reportedly contained 65 different substances. Ancient accounts list ingredients ranging from cinnamon, saffron, and myrrh to opium and even viper flesh. The logic was twofold: combine every known medicinal and toxic substance and balance them so that each neutralized the others. In theory, the king could consume this concoction regularly and build immunity to virtually any poison. Legends grew around Mithridates' daily ritual of consuming his antidote. Some claimed that when he was finally defeated by the Romans, he attempted suicide by poison only to find himself immune, forcing him to request a soldier's blade instead. While the truth is uncertain, the story captured imaginations for centuries. After Mithridates' death, the Romans adopted his antidote enthusiastically. Physicians like Galen praised it, and variations of Mithridatium became staples of Roman medicine. By the Middle Ages, the recipe had evolved into theriac, a costly compound believed to cure not only poisoning, but also plague, fever, and countless other ailments. Apothecaries guarded their formulas jealously, and wealthy patients paid fortunes for a jar. Yet modern science casts doubt on Mithridatium's effectiveness. While some ingredients like opium certainly had physiological effects, the mixture's complexity likely diluted any real benefit. The inclusion of viper flesh may have been symbolic, inspired by the idea of fighting poison with poison. Rather than a true antidote, Mithridatium was probably more psychological, a ritual of reassurance for a paranoid king, and a profitable placebo for generations of physicians. Still, its legacy is remarkable. The very idea of Mithridatism building immunity by exposure foreshadowed the principles of vaccination, though in a crude and dangerous form. Mithridates' obsession reflects a timeless truth: the powerful are often most vulnerable, and fear drives innovation as much as science. Today, the word Mithridate survives as a term for any universal antidote. The story of Mithridatium reminds us of humanity's enduring hope for protection against unseen threats and our willingness to swallow almost anything in pursuit of safety.